Hey, beautiful people, gotta do it one time for the one time. If you're watching this video right here, right now, you are lucky because you get to have another 2-in-1 video. As you see, I got these two side by side. If you're just tuning in, I've got this runabout on, what day was that? I think I got this on this past Tuesday. It was either this past Tuesday or Wednesday. And then I got this soft and light last year around Christmas time. No, I take that back. I've had this soft and light since 2019. I got that soft and light in 2019 around Christmas time. Two great Hoovers. Got a soft and light to the right. Got a runabout to my left. Very high performance. I really wish that they would bring these back to the market. I really wish they would, man. Like, these type of Hoovers are the bomb. I'm so tired of going to Walmart and Target and Best Buy and walking down the vacuum out and all you see is canister. Like, that's all they have. Canister, 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 canister. Some canisters are the bomb. They are. However, I do not accept canisters in my collection, just the hardback and the soft body ones. So if it's a canister, 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna want it. I've had so many people over the summertime try to give me canister vacuums and was like, here, put this inside your collection. I'm like, thank you, but no thank you. For the simple fact that that's not exactly what I specialize in. I specialize into these. The upright soft bag ones and the upright hard bag ones. So, without any further... Oh, that's what I want to say. I don't understand why Hoover gave this handlebar, this tan handlebar, when the bottom of the base is black. And into the runabout, they gave it that tan bumper with the black handlebar. If you ask me, just to make it coordinate, this should have went on this, matching the bottom of the bumper. But they were like completely backwards. They put the black bumper with the tan handlebar, and then they put the tan bumper with the black handlebar. I don't know. However, I still love them both. I believe both headlights in these work. So, without any further ado, I will run them both for you. And since I got this one recently, we'll run the runabout. We'll run that one first. There's that for you. And now for the soft and light. There you have it. Hoover Runabout and Hoover Soft and Light. Please go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. I'm your boy, Kevin Love. Peace.